single day.
Hi everyone. Today let's see about the new app for new whiteboard. So we have already uploaded whiteboard, digital whiteboard, class flow, and Jamboard also. Now today we are going to see one new app for the whiteboard. So this is also a good app we can use for our online teaching, and all the features available here. And we can make the students here. We can make the classrooms also here. So for that, first we can open that open the Google Chrome first. Then you can just type Liveboard. The app name is Liveboard. So once you open this page, you'll open the first one. You can see the Liveboard.online, Liveboard collaborative whiteboard app for online tutoring. So click it. So the main thing is we need for a good app for conducting the online classes. So it's a good app. I think you can use it, and the same thing. So once you open this board, this is a dashboard first for the live board, and there are two options here. You can see sign up, and it's free, and it's a free only. We can sign up, but I have already signed up, so I can directly go to the login. So if you click this sign up, it's very easy for you. Very few steps are there, or you can log in directly. So once you go to the login, if you have the Google email ID, you can use the Google Mail ID and directly log in. So this page will open. You can see sign in to your account. If you don't have that sign in, you can sign up here using any email IDs and password. But already we have a Google account, so sign in with the Google account. I am clicking here. So it will ask the mail ID. So I'm giving my mail ID. So this page will open. Already I have logged in so that I can directly come using my Google ID. This is the dashboard. You can see here the option my groups are there. Okay, so I will tell you this later. First I will just give demo about the whiteboard. See this right hand corner side downside, that plus mark is the green color. You can just click this. There are three options here. One is a create a board, another one is a join session, another one create from PDF. Okay, so I'm just clicking this create board. So once we click this board will open. This is the whiteboard. We can have a class, a spiritual class, virtual class here. So once you click this, so here you can see there is a three dot button is there. So if you click, just invite option is there. You can just click the invite option. Invite people is there. You can see here. This is the password session code. We can say here the session code. So if you send the code to the students can easily join the session using this, entering this code. And then our option is there. We can enter the email here. So enter names or email addresses. So we can enter the email address, and there is the option invite people. You can, for an example, I'm just clicking here. .com. So once typing here, then we can give this invite people. So we can invite the people easily, through which invitation will go. So the students can easily use that link ID and they can enter the sessions. And another option also I will tell here. You can see the public link is at the top side. You just click it, so it will open. So here one option is that below that copy. So if you click that, the link, this link will be copied. So we can send the link through WhatsApp or whatever may be the social media. We can send the students. We can invite the students. Okay. And then this is the last one you can see here. This is the class. The students, when they attended, we can see the names of the students here. And then you see the next one. Downside, you can see the green color chat box is there. Okay, so this is the chat. So while we have the class, we can chat with the students. The students can chat with us, clarifying their doubts and all. So we can cancel this. So if you want to stop the chat, if you click this right, and disable chat is there. If you click this will disappear. And then you see the left hand side, a lot of options are given here. The first one is that the hand option, so it is like this, and next one is the tool option, is arrow mark will be there, selector. And then this one is the pen. There are two pens are given here. One is the marker like a big size, and another one is a small pen. So this is the first one pen. You can see here we can write like that. We can increase the size of the pen. Okay, so if you maximum increase the pixels, the pen size is also increased. So this is, we can make widen the pen. Okay, and then the color is also the different colors we can use here. So this is actually, this board mainly it's fantastically used in the tablet. If you use the tablet with the digital marker, digital pen, we can hold with the hand and we can write all the equations and mathematics step by step everything. We can give very good demonstration for all the subjects. So tablet is the best one. Using the mouse is also a little difficult one. So this is the option for the pen, two pens. So this one, the second one, you see it's very widened one. It is like a highlighter. Okay, it is not a pen, actually it's a highlighter. We can highlight the things and show the students. And next you see this option is the, this option is the eraser. Eraser is also, we can increase the size. So it is only we can get maximum size of the eraser. And then you can see the clear pages there. If you click this one, everything will be erased at a time. And then here one more option, this is that shapes also there. So square, and if we want we can make the outline border, we can make a color, red color, blue color, whatever may be the color. And if we want to fill this shape, we can fill the color. So, and circle also, the circle is there, and then a line also there. Okay, you can put the line also, straight line like this. And this is the picture. If you open this, you can take some pictures and paste here and explain to the students easily. And then this one is the picture you can download from your desktop or wherever, maybe the resource option. And then picture is there. Okay, finished. And again you can come to the back option and just, so you can see here my group is there. Okay, so before that this plus mark is there. So whatever you are teaching, everything is recorded here. All groups, the boards are here, whatever you taught. So the students can easily see later also. And then we can send this to the students also, through which we can share this, export as a PDF or move to or copyboard, rename board, export as a PDF in a desktop or somewhere resources, and you can send back it easily to the students. And if you click this one, the first one create board we have seen, and the second one you see join session is there. The join session is generally used by the students, so students can enter the code. I just explained about how can we create the code, how can we get the code. So by using that code, if we send that code to the students, by using that code, the students can easily enter the session and entering the code here. Okay. And one more option is here, see create from PDF. Okay, so if you click this, all the PDF files you have, it will come. So we can download any PDF files for the explanations in the slides in the board. And my group is here. You can see here the left hand side, my groups. Here you can create a class. So example math class is given. For an example, I am typing a class, so grade 12. Okay, so and then you can enter all the students of this grade 12 names and email address here. Okay, in this box, all the names of the students, all the emails of the students, we can type here and we can make a create. So the class will be created here. So it is created here. See, so once we open this, automatically we can start the session. Okay, so it is very easy process. And uh, so this is also a good board, and this is also a good app for using the board, online board, virtual board. So here one more option is that I will show you. This yellow color is there, you can see here. So this one is the recording option. You can record the session, whatever you are teaching here, it can be recorded easily. Once you click this, you can see this slide. Like how it is happening. Okay, so if you want, you can stop the recording. Stop recording. If you click three dots, yes, stop the session is there. Okay, recording started now. And here stop session. Everything after finishing the class, you can give stop session is there. Once you click, or you want to end up the session, you can give end up the session. That's all. Okay. So it is very easy, and it's also a good app for the students to conduct online classes during this um, lockdown period. So you can use and you can check this app also. How does it work for your online teaching and how very helpful for your teaching and all. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, and kindly see all the videos and subscribe. If you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe my channel. I give you comments in the comment box so that I can understand something from you and I can do better for the next one. And I will meet you soon with a new video. Thank you very much.